Well, that's not exactly what I had in mind for tonight, and I guess I should respond. My spider sense.
I knew you'd come, Spider.
Who are you?
Just a stray black cat.
You're definitely getting enough vitamins.
Silly Spider. Cats always land on their feet. Hey, I was just being curious. I wanted to see if I was as strong as you.
Well, you know what they say about curiosity.
Indeed. I also know the value of surprise. Sorry, Spider. I want to know just who's behind your mask. No, this isn't what I want after all. It'll be far more rewarding when you take the mask off for me, willingly. Till next time.
Come on, get open!
Whoever that woman was, she gives new meaning to the word knockout. Uh-oh, I'm out of here.
Hey, it's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man's been sighted in Sector 814.
Get it? We've verified that the person in Hardesky's cell is really the chameleon. Hardesky's gone. I want to know Spider-Man's connection. Is he trying to get the super soldier formula? I'll have all your heads if it falls into the wrong hands.